spring mornings, the sun rises on the horizon. A million colors dance on the petals of flowers. And amidst this spectacle, I see only you, like a ray of light warming my heart. A million colors, but only one captivates me. It's the shade of your smile, the divine melody. Each petal is a note, each sunbeam a chord, and the harmony we create is everlasting. At night, when stars paint the dark sky, I lose myself in your eyes like a secure dream. And the moon, like a violin, plays a gentle tune, while our hearts intertwine unafraid. A million colors, but only one captivates me. It's the shade of your smile, the divine melody. Each petal is a note, each sunbeam a chord, and the harmony we create is everlasting. In every season, our music continues to grow, like a blossoming garden, even when winter tries to prevail. And when rain falls, our tears blend, creating a rainbow of love that never fades away. A million colors, but only one captivates me. It's the shade of your smile, the divine melody.